Imagine this. You're walking home alone at night, the streetlights flicker, and suddenly a shadow darts across your path. Your heart pounds, your muscles tense, and for a split second, you're frozen. Then, just as quickly, you realize it's just a cat. But in that moment, your body reacted as if your life depended on it. Why? What exactly happens inside you when fear takes over? Fear isn't just a feeling, it's a full-body survival mechanism, a lightning-fast chain reaction controlled by your brain and nervous system. From the second your brain senses danger, a carefully orchestrated series of events kicks in, priming you to either fight, flee, or freeze. Your heart races, your pupils dilate, and even your digestion slows, all because your body believes it's in mortal peril. But how does this system work? And why does it sometimes misfire, leaving us terrified of things that can actually hurt us? The story begins in your brain, specifically in a small, almond-shaped structure called the amygdala. This is your brain's alarm system, constantly scanning your surroundings for threats. When it detects danger, whether it's a growling dog, a horror movie jump scare, or even a sudden loud noise, it sends an emergency signal to the hypothalamus, the command center that communicates with the rest of your body. From there, your sympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for your fight-or-flight response, takes over. Adrenaline and cortisol flood your bloodstream, supercharging your body for action. Your heart rate skyrockets, pumping blood to your muscles so you can run or defend yourself. Your breathing quickens, sucking in more oxygen to fuel your cells. Even your vision sharpens as your pupils dilate, letting in more light to help you spot threats. But fear doesn't just affect your muscles and heart, it alters your entire biology. Blood vessels in your skin constrict, making you pale. That's why people say you go white as a ghost. Non-essential functions, like digestion, temporarily shut down, which is why you might feel queasy or lose your appetite when scared. Your brain even releases natural painkillers, so if you're injured in the moment, you might not feel it until later. And then there's the freeze response. Sometimes, instead of fighting or running, your body locks up. This isn't a glitch, it's an ancient survival tactic. Many predators key in on movement, so staying perfectly still can make you invisible. That's why deer freeze in headlights, or why you might feel paralyzed during a panic attack. But what about when fear lingers? If the threat passes, your parasympathetic nervous system steps in to calm you down, slowing your heart rate and returning your body to normal. But sometimes, the amygdala overreacts, triggering fear when there's no real danger, like with phobias or anxiety disorders. That's why some people panic at the sight of a spider, even if it's harmless. Or why a traumatic memory can cause a physical fear response years later. Fear is also contagious thanks to mirror neurons. Seeing someone else scared can trigger your own fear response. That's why haunted houses are scarier in groups, or why a single scream in a crowd can cause mass panic. So the next time you feel that jolt of fear, whether it's from a jump scare, a near-miss accident, or even just a creepy story, remember, your body is doing exactly what it's evolved to do. It's not just in your head, it's in your racing heart, your tense muscles, and your heightened senses, all working together to keep you alive. The real question is, will you fight, flee, or freeze? But why do we sometimes enjoy fear? Why do people watch horror movies or ride roller coasters if fear is supposed to be unpleasant? It turns out, when we know we're safe, fear can actually be thrilling. The adrenaline rush, the heightened senses, it's like a natural high. Your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical linked to pleasure, which is why some people love the feeling of being scared in controlled situations. On the flip side, chronic fear like constant stress or anxiety can take a serious toll on your body. Long-term exposure to stress hormones like cortisol can weaken your immune system, raise your blood pressure, and even affect your memory. That's why finding healthy ways to manage fear and stress is so important. Fear is one of the most primal human experiences, something we share with every animal on the planet. It's kept our ancestors alive for millions of years, and it still shapes our decisions today. Whether it's the split-second reaction that saves you from a car accident or the nervous flutter before a big test, fear is a reminder of how deeply connected your mind and body truly are. So the next time your heart races at a sudden noise or you feel that cold rush of dread, take a second to appreciate the incredible biology behind it. Your body is running an ancient, finely tuned survival program, one that's been perfected over millennia. And while fear can be overwhelming, understanding it might just help you take control when it matters most.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.